High in a tree where the moon shines bright lived a sleepy old owl named Oliver Knight. He hooted once, then yawned real wide. Too many stars in the sky tonight. He blinked his eyes, 1, 2, 3. Is that a pillow or just a leaf? He tried to count the clouds up high, but he fell asleep by cloud number 5. He dreamt of mice in funny hats, having tea with sleepy cats. But then, achoo, he woke up quick. Was that a dream or a hiccup trick? He shook his feathers left and right. Okay, okay, back tonight. Oh, sleepy owl, hoot, 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 can't keep his eyes open. How about you? Flap, flap, snooze. Oh, what a sight. The sleepy owl sleeps all night. Hoot, 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 and yawn, 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 snoring softly till the dawn. Wiggle, giggle, cozy and tight. The sleepy owl says night, night. Down below the crickets sing. Chirp, 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 a sleepy thing. The moon says, owl, it's time to rest. The stars agree, they know what's best. He tucks his wing beneath his chin, whispers tomorrow we'll hoot again. He counts the leaves, he counts the breeze, he counts 100 sleepy Z's. Silly break!
Kids love this part!
Yawn like an owl!
Yawn!
Stretch like an owl!
Stretch!
Hoot real quiet, hoot real loud. Hoo, hoo. Now Oliver snores, whoosh, whoo, snore, dreaming of naps and maybe some more. He snores in rhythm, soft and slow, like a bedtime song just floating low. Fireflies dim their tiny lights, tucking in the forest night. Every creature, big and small, sleeps with the owl best night of all. Oh, sleepy owl, hoot, 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 dreaming sweet dreams. How about you? Flap, flap, snooze. Oh, what a sight. The sleepy owl sleeps all night. Hoot, 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 yawn, 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 snoring softly till the dawn. Close your eyes and hold on tight. The sleepy owl says night, night.